How's it going, everyone? I'm Ernest with UpFix, and today we have in front of me the Mopar 8.4-inch LCD display that can be found in the center of your dashboard. This affects several different trim models of the Jeep, Dodge, and Chrysler. And what goes wrong with it? Well, it uses a gel-like adhesive substance that over time, due to heat and just wear and tear, it'll literally drag down, and you'll see that it has this little water-like substance as if it's got some liquid trapped behind the glass. So what we do here is we take off that glass assembly and pretty much fully rebuild it, take off all the old adhesive and put on a new element so it restores functionality of your LCD display. So the vehicles that this affects is the Chrysler 200, 300 from 2017 all the way up to 2022. For the Jeeps, we have Cherokee, Compass, and Gladiator, ranging from the years 2017 all the way up to 2022. And on the Jeep Grand Cherokee, this unit can be found on units from 2014 all the way up to 2024. This can also be found on the Ram pickup trucks, ranging from the year span of 2013 all the way up to 2024. And this can be found on the 1500, 2500, or 3500 trim level. So if you found us online, place that order, make sure to carefully package this part. Once we receive it, our expert UpFix repair technicians will look at it, repair it, and keep you updated every step of the process. Hopefully you found this video helpful. We'll see you next time.